Hi, my name's Maddie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to copy an angle and how to do an angle bisector for our Math 1351 construction project. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is you'll need a compass, and then you'll also need a ruler or like any straight edge. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy, or you're going to draw your angle. So I'm going to draw an angle, and it can be any angle you want. I would suggest, or I'm going to do a bigger one just because, like, so y'all can see it better. But yeah, just something like that, just to, like, start you off. And then you're going to fix your straight edge, or your compass, to fit, like, a smaller piece, because if you do a bigger one, it'll be hard to copy it. So I'm just going to do it about this big. And then I'm going to make an arc. And so with this arc, I'm going to label these points and have like A and B for my line segment. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark these two, and we can just name those later. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw another line using your straight edge. And you want to do it a little longer than the first one, just so it, like, you have more room. And I'm going to go ahead and erase some of this just because that's not straight. But so you're going to go ahead and name this very front point A prime. And then you're going to take your compass and move it to where it measures out the amount of A and B. So kind of like how you would copy a line segment. And so you're going to measure out A and B, and you're going to keep it at the same length. And then your new line segment, and then that's going to be B prime. So then in order to copy the angle, you're going to move your compass again, and you're going to measure it out to be how the angle is, like the measure of the angle itself. And then you're going to move it over, and you're not going to change it. You're going to measure it and then take it over to your A prime and kind of like retrace that on that right there. And then you're also, so that's going to be like your line. And then, like I said, we can make that other point, and you can name it or you cannot name it, it just depends. So then you're going to measure this part right here. Since you have that angle, you're going to measure A and then the other point. And so, like, once you have that right angle, you're going to go ahead and, like, oh, 1 second. Next, we're going to get started with the angle bisector. So for that one, I'm going to just use the first angle that we drew, and you're going to take your compass and measure out that connecting point in the middle that your angle made. And so you're going to measure that out, and then you're going to take one point, which you can start at either point, and then use your pencil to draw that first arc. And then you're going to take the other line and do it the same thing. And so now you're going to have an X, and you're going to draw the dot in the middle of the X, and then connect it with this point at A. And there's your angle bisector. So, okay. That was how to copy an angle and how to do an angle bisector. Hope you all enjoyed.